Today we are going to discuss RRB previous GK questions. First question, the lethal war with Kalinga transformed the vengeful emperor Ashoka to a stable and peaceful emperor, and he became a follower of Buddhism, Vedanta, Hinduism, Jainism. Option A is the answer, Buddhism. The lethal war with Kalinga transformed the vengeful emperor Ashoka into a stable and peaceful emperor and became a patron of Buddhism. Kalinga war was fought in ancient time between the Maurya Empire and Ashoka and the state of Kalinga in 261 BC. Kalinga war is one of the largest and bloodiest battles in Indian history. Edict 13 of the Ashoka rock inscriptions expresses the great remorse the king left after observing the destruction of Kalinga. Kalinga war is held in BC 261. Kalinga war held in BC 261. The most important event of Ashoka's reign was the conquest of Kalinga, the modern era, which proved to be an important change in his life. Most important event of Ashoka's reign was the conquest of Kalinga, the modern era, which proved to be an important change in his life. It is in Odisha, modern era Odisha. Ashoka adopted Buddhist teachings after the war of Kalinga. Famous Kalinga war sent Emperor Ashoka to leave the war and it paid him to adopt Buddhism. When this war fought in Odisha. This war fought in Odisha in BC 261. BC 261. Option A is the answer. Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? Vishnugupta. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Maurya Empire in ancient India. Chanakya assisted the first Mauryan emperor Chandragupta in the rise to power. He is widely credited for having played an important role in the establishment of the Maurya Empire. Chanakya served as the chief advisor to both emperors Chandragupta and his son Bindusara. Which of the following book is written by Megasthenes? Which of the following book is written by Megasthenes? Harshacharita, Indika, Malavika, Matram, Yajana, Valiga, Smriti. Answer is option C, Indika. Megasthenes is written in book Indika. Kalidasa written Ritu Samhara, Mega Sandesham, Rekuvamsham, Shakuntala. These books are written by Kalidasa. Here Megasthenes wrote Indika. Indika is written by Greek ambassador Megasthenes. He was sent to Chandragupta's Maurya's court by the Greek ruler Seleucus Nicator. During his stay in the capital Padaliputra, he recorded his impressions about Indika in his book. Megasthenes was one of the earliest explorers to come to India. He was related to which country? Megasthenes was related to Greece. Who mentioned Adi Adyakshas as the superintendent of different department into the Mauryan administration? Answer option A, Kaudilya. Kaudilya's Arthashastra provided detailed description of the Mauryan administration. This was considered to be an authentic source to draw an account about the Mauryan administration. Along with Arthashastra, Megasthenes Indica throws light at the administration, economy, trade, and society of Mauryan period. The central administration was conducted by a highly skilled superintendent or Adi Shakhas who looked after various departments. So, who mentioned Adi Shakhas as the superintendents of different departments in Mauryan administration? Answer Kaudilya. Kaudilya's Arthashastra provide a detailed description of the Mauryan administration. This was considered to be the authentic source to draw an account about the Mauryan administration. Along with Arthashastra, Megasthenes Indica throw light at the administration, economy, trade, and society of the Mauryan period. Kaudilya's Arthashastra gives us information about Kaudilya's Arthashastra gives us Maurya administration. Which Ashokan rock edict mentions of Ashoka's Trumbu over Kalinga? 13th. The earliest deciphered epigraphy of Ashoka's inscription in India was written in when script? It is Brahmi. The earliest records of Ashoka were written in the Brahmi script. The earliest records of Ashoka were written in the Brahmi script. So, for more than 40 inscriptions of Ashoka have been found. For the first time in 1837, a scholar named James Princeps had succeeded in reading Ashoka's inscription. The inscriptions of Shabargiri and Mansara are inscribed in Kharoshthi script, and the Afghan inscriptions near Taxila and Legman are in Aramic and Greek. Apart from this, all the inscriptions of Ashoka's small stone pillar inscriptions and small inscriptions are engraved in Brahmi script. James Prinsep, an archaeologist, philologist, and official of the East India Company, deciphered Ashokan edicts which were in the Brahmis in the year 1837. James Prinsep, a British antiquary and colonial administrator who was the founding editor of Journal of Asiatic Society of Bengal, was the first person to decipher Ashoka's edicts in 1837. These Ashoka's inscriptions are the first tangible evidence of Buddhism. Dash deciphered Brahmi and Kharoshthi script that were used for earlier inscriptions. Answer James Prinsep. James Prinsep deciphered Brahmi and Kharoshthi script that were used for earlier inscriptions. Brahmi and Kharoshthi scripts were a major part of the Ashokan inscriptions. So this is the last question of this section. Thank you.